lipstick. Of course, which is a secret to anyone. All my followers, everyone, all my friends, followers, they know how much I love lipstick.
Nakakapag-pray nga ka pa ba? Kasi parang sunod-sunod, pati endorsement, lahat, show.
Whenever I do get time to rest, which is usually a Sunday, I spend time with my family, for me, which is also considered rest na rin.
Ano yung mga ginagawa natin ngayon, Ann? Kasi para sa iba,
projects.
o yung mga projects natin na pinagkakabalaan mo ngayon?
Well, I'm doing Showtime every day, and then I'm doing teleserye every other day for Kailangan Ko Ikaw. And
At work, how do you divide your time? Kasi diba usually yung taping sa teleserye na last in like 24 hours, then matagalan.
Oo.
Paano ka nakakaabot sa showtime?
nag-MRT.
Talaga?
Yes. When was it last taping? Yesterday, I think it was. Nag-MRT ako kasi late na ako na-pull out from Kailangan Ko Ikaw taping, and we were taping all the way in Naiya. So para umabot sa Showtime, nag-MRT ako. I was late siguro mga 10-15 minutes lang.
Kasi yung naging ride mo, ano naging reaction ng mga tao sa loob?
Nandun ako sa ladies carriage. So, nung una, nakatingin lang sila. And then, nung may isang na nagpe-picture, ayan na, sunod-sunod sila. But, you know what? At 10:30, 11 in the morning, halos wala ng tao. It's medyo mas maluwag. At maglagpas ng Cubao, bumababa na silang lahat. So, wala na masyadong tao after Quezon na.
Ann, parang nasanay ka ng mag-MRT.
Oo, I really think, it's an easy way to travel. It's fast and, reasonable pa yung price. So I think it's an easy way to travel if you're thinking about traffic, kailangan mong makapunta ka agad sa ibang lugar.
And when nag-MRT ka from the taping, saan ka bumaba?
Quezon Ave.
And then, what?
Merong nagpasundo yung ABS ng van nila.
Yun naman dapat ang matry mo next time mag-tricycle pamuntang yun.
Ilang beses na ako mag-tricycle.
So ikaw na rin ang bagong ambassador ng public
Public
transport.
transport.
Why not? Diba? I think it's so much fun, and even running up, going up umakit kasi ako Bonnie na kasi doon na yung traffic. Nakatingin lang sa akin yung mga tao, parang hindi sila
Makapaniwala.
maniwala. As in, ito talaga yung face nila, yun, nandun, waiting lang. Picture. And it's just so much fun, and then, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I mean, wala namang masama.
Okay lang sa'yo maging ambassador of transportation.
Why not shop nga?
Ann, clear lang natin kasi nga sa Showtime, since you're part of it naman. Ano na lang yung masasabi natin na nagkakaroon tuloy ng issue between Direk Bobet and Vice at iba pang mga
Wala
hosts?
namang issue. So, I really don't know where it's coming from, but, I think it's all part of the industry as always. They'll always have something to say. So, as of now, it's safe to say, walang issue. We're all working as a family. Tulad kanina, ang saya-saya namin. So, walang issue.
There was a time ba na nagkatipunan kayo ni Vice kasi may lumabas ng issue na gano'n na parang nakasa or...
Wala naman. I mean, meron din kami mga issues ni Vice na, pero hindi seryoso. Alam mo yung nag-aasaran kami, pero wala pa yung tulad ng sinasabi nila na pikunan na serious na it cultivate fight and emotion. Wala.
Have you ever worked with John Lloyd? Kasi may lumabas na nagpa-interview siya. He says one of his dreams is to work with you in a movie or teleseries.
Ikaw na lang daw kasi ang leading lady na hindi niya nakakatambal.
Well, yeah, it's true. I mean, maging sino ka man kasi we weren't partners together. Nagka-work na kami, pero hindi pa as a pair. So, hindi pa. So, I think it would be great to be able to work with him. I've never been able to work with him before as a leading man. I don't know what story would be bagay, but if given the right script, why not?
May demands ka ba para maging leading man mo siya? Or okay lang basta good story?
Oo, as always, sa akin naman, if the story is really, really good, regardless if it's mainstream, indie, I don't mind, just as long as the script is something that I'd like to do.
Okay din ba sa'yo ang makipagtrabaho sa isang bagawan like Slater Young, PBB Grand Winner? Kasi vocal din siya.
Yes, of course, as I said, just as long as the script is good. Doon talaga ako I mean,
what do you think ang pwede mong matutunan sa kanya sa giving man? And ano naman ang pwede niyang matutunan from you pag nag-partner?
That's something I've yet to discuss. You'll only know what you can learn from them when you work with them. And that's always exciting because you don't know how your chemistry will be. You don't know what you'll discover from yourself with each partner you're paired with. So, super excited. If it happens.